Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're still heading north on I-29 as well as US 81 in Roberts County, South Dakota. We begin in the middle of a construction zone at mile 245. At exit 246, South Dakota State Highway 127 crosses I-29, providing access to the town of New Effington to the west and Rosholt to the east. New Effington began as the town of Effington, which was in a different location. When a railroad was laid out, the town site was moved to be on the railroad line and the new was added to the name. New Effington had an estimated population of 249 as of 2019. The railroad runs west to east, so on the other side of I-29 is Rosholt, laid out in 1913 and named in honor of Julius Rosholt, who was credited with bringing the railroad to town. Rosholt had an estimated population of 429 as of 2019. We finally come to the end of the construction zone and get our 80-mile-per-hour speed limit back, but that will be short-lived. At the overpass ahead, we'll enter North Dakota, where the maximum speed limit is 75. Exit 1 leads to the road that runs along the North Dakota-South Dakota border, although the road appears to be entirely in North Dakota. Off of this exit is the Dakota Magic Casino and the Dakota Winds Golf Course. We're in Richland County, by the way, created by the Dakota Territory in 1873. It was named for Morgan T. Rich, who settled on the site of the future city of Wahpeton in 1869. Richland County had an estimated population of 16,177 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. North Dakota State Highway 11 crosses I-29 at exit 8 with the city of Hankinson to the west and Fairmount to the east. Hankinson had an estimated population of 885 as of 2019 and was named for R.H. Hankinson, a local landowner in the late 1800s. Fairmount had an estimated population of 359 as of 2019. We cross the Wild Rice River and then see exit 15 leading to the small towns of Great Bend to the east and Matador to the west. Great Bend was founded in 1888 on land homesteaded by George Warner. Warner, who was instrumental in the town's founding and development, served as one of the area's first station agents for the Northern Pacific Railroad, operated the town's first general store, and was one of the first postmasters. He later served in the North Dakota House of Representatives. Great Bend was incorporated as a village in 1908 and then as a city in 1967. Today, Great Bend has an estimated population of 56. We conclude today's video at mile marker 18. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.